If you're seeing the Base44 elements error, don't worry, in this quick tutorial I'll show you the fastest way to troubleshoot it and get things working again. This is a simple step-by-step fix you can try right away, and it often solves the problem in just a few moments. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, press Ctrl, Shift and R together on your keyboard to perform a hard refresh. This forces the browser to reload the page and can clear out stale files or temporary loading issues that may be causing the error. After the page reloads, check whether the issue is still there. If the problem continues, the next step is to revert the action by clicking the Revert button under the last prompt. This can undo the most recent change and help restore the page to a working state. Once that is done, test the page again and see if the elements are loading properly. If you still see the error, press F12 on your keyboard to open the browser developer tools. From there, go to the console tab and check for any error messages. The console can show you exactly what's failing behind the scenes, and that information is very useful for identifying the cause of the Base44 elements error. Look for red error lines, failed requests, or anything that appears right after the page loads. If you find an obvious error, that can point you toward the source of the issue. Those 3 steps, hard refresh, revert the last prompt, and inspect the console, are the best quick checks to troubleshoot this problem. And that's it. If this video helped you fix the Base44 elements error, please hit like and subscribe for more fast and practical tutorials like this one.